Is statistics a tough nut to crack? Well, not anymore with Doubt-Free Stat. This channel helps you slide easily from book to brain. That is, the most complex concepts in the textbooks are easily explained. Hi, I'm Geetha Sowjanya. This channel aims in the creation of a virtual classroom that is beyond the traditional statistics lectures. In this, we'll be having a one-on-one interaction or two-way interaction. Let me explain how. Once a unit is completed, you can get back to me with all your doubts in the comment section. We'll be having a separate doubt clearance session and then only we'll be proceeding to the next unit. Any suggestions are welcome. Now let me tell you the main contents of our channel. What we do is, we'll complete all the topics of all the units of the semester system in the curricula of BSc Statistics, BA Statistics and BCOM. Once the syllabus is completed of that particular semester, we'll have a review of all the possible questions that may be appearing in the next semester. Not only at graduate level, at PG level also, there is an important paper called as Operations Research in courses like MBA, MCA, MSc Maths, MSc Stat, MSc Data Science, etc. The statistic is for the next generation. You need to have a strong foundation at your base level, and our channel will help you that. Apart from graduation and post-graduation level, we'll dive deep into the preparation of the government exams like that of Statistical Investigator and Staff Selection Commission, Assistant Statistical Officer and Assistant Director in Public Service Commissions of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. I'll be your daily mentor in statistics, and our channel will be the Statistics Ka Adda. Stay connected for Introduction to Statistics.